Hello, botany students. I'm Professor Sage Fernetovich, welcoming you to Botany Fall 2022. I'm your instructor for the lecture and the lab. The lecture is online asynchronous. We don't have any Zoom meetings, and the lab is on Fridays from 11 to 1:25. So I wanted to show you a little bit about the Moodle page and give you a good hearty welcome. I've been teaching botany for a long time, and it was what I studied in graduate school, and I absolutely love all things plants and mushrooms. So here we have our Moodle page, and I will be posting all our course material on here, including the in-person lab material. But this is very important for lecture since all the lecture is online. This is what our Moodle page looks like. We're just going to be using this one, 110.65. You might also see 110.66 on your Moodle dashboard. You may see that, but ignore it. Everything will be on this one. My contact information is over in this box. The best way to reach me is through email. I check it very frequently. I have office hours online through Google Hangouts, Wednesdays and Thursdays, 11 to 12. And on Fridays, I have in-person office hours in my office right before lab. So that would be 10 to 11. You're welcome to stop in anytime my door is open. My office is Merib 329. Our lab room is just down the hall in Merib 306. So if you're here a little early for lab, you can always stop in, say hi, ask any questions you want. Lecture material will be due on Tuesdays, and it will all be posted here. Syllabus and schedule are right here. Please check that out at your convenience. It goes through how grading occurs and that type of thing. Course announcements are right here, and course announcements go right to your HCC email inbox. So if you're not checking here and you are checking your email, that's great. But make sure that you use your HCC email. I might have to get in touch with you, and those announcements will be sent right there. Just underneath that is Community Help Forum, and this is for student-to-student communications. If you want to get together for study groups, or if you have questions for other students and you don't want to ask me, this is the place to do it, Community Help Forum. I rarely check this, and I don't answer questions that are posted here. I assume that if you have a question, you email me. But if you don't want to ask me, ask the other students. Botany objectives are right here, and this is for the whole semester. It's what we're working on for the class. This is an optional but really interesting radio program about plants and the intelligence of plants and their biology. I've gotten a few questions about course materials. You will need Connect access that goes along with BidLAX biology. So you click here, it'll take you to a page where you enter Stern's plant biology or BidLAX plant biology for the title of your text. Then you hit adopt this book and then or connect, and then you will enter your access code that you get. You could purchase access codes through the HCC bookstore or through the McGraw-Hill website itself. So McGraw-Hill is our publisher. Connect is a learning platform that has virtual labs, the e-text, and all kinds of activities on it. The interactive e-text is really great. So I definitely encourage you to use that. There is an option of getting a hard copy of the text as well, but that's a little bit more money. So in this first week, I will be putting more information down here to get you started in your studies of botany, and check back frequently. I expect you to check back on this webpage twice or 3 times a week. Okay? All the information will be here. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions whatsoever. I am at my email address and ready to help.